Hi guys, welcome to Code World, and today we are going to discuss a problem called maximum width of a binary tree. It's basically a medium level question in LeetCode. So before we discuss more of the problem, I request you to check out the videos which we have already uploaded in our channel Code World. There are a lot of DSA videos and also some stuff related to development all. Do check those out if you haven't checked it out yet. So let's come back to a question. So basically, what's the question? They're asking the maximum width of a binary tree. What is the maximum width of a binary tree? So in this question, they're considering the width as per the level. For example, for this zeroth level, we have the width as 1. For the first level, this is the first level, we have the width as 1 2, right? In this third level we have the width as 1 2 3. Cool. But here you can see the output is 4, right? How is it like? We observe that there are only 3 nodes, but how is the output 4 here? So for this, what we are doing is we are also considering the null node here, right? So in this problem, that's the case that we also consider the null node. So if we are including a null node, this would be a 4, right? Width. Cool. So but in this case, let's consider this case. We take what will be the maximum node. You might say that for this width, we have for this level we have 1. For this level we have 1 2. The width will be 2. Cool. But in this, you might say that we have 4 nodes because 5 null, 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 right? So 4 nodes. So basically, that's not that's not how we do, because here it's fine because here 9 null comes before 9. After null, there is some node, right? Because we know that we are calculating the width from left to right, right? Basically, how do we uh, go level wise from left to right, left to right, left to right, right? So basically, uh, if you are considering this example, we are going from left to right, left to right, left to right. See, after 5 we are getting null node. It's not that after null we are getting 5. If the 5 is at the end, if the 5 is at the end and there are null nodes, we can consider it because null is coming before 5. But in this case, 5 is null is coming after 5, so we are not, we don't want to consider. So that's the case. So how we are going to solve this? So basically, for this problem we are using a simplified version, that is a simplified approach, that is BFS. So how we are going to solve using BFS? Let's see that. So basically, it's a simple BFS approach that basically in this we are as usual, for we are taking queue. We are taking basically a queue of pairs because we also have to uh, what consider the root and its level. Not exactly a level, but node, the count of the node. So tree node, we're considering the tree node, and int, that is int will be the count of the node. So in this case, what we are doing is in this we are pushing the root, and we are sending the count of it's 0, right? So and here after basically we push this into a queue, and we just pop it, and we just insert its left and right child. So this will be in the queue, so it will be qr1, and this will be 2, and simultaneously we are also calculating the length of it. So for length, what we are doing is we find the length of this. Let's consider that our variable is answer. So what we are doing is we are taking answer of left, that is the rightmost node. The rightmost node count minus the leftmost node count leftmost node count plus 1. If we are doing this, we get the width of the particular level. For example, in this, the count is 2, right? The the rightmost node at this level is 2, right? The count is 2. So what we do is 2 minus 1 plus 1. When you do this, what do we get? We get 2, right? That's what is the width in that particular level. Is it in this level, in this particular level, the length of the width is 2. So that's what we are getting. In even in this, we get 3, 4, and this will be 5, right? So if you are doing 5 minus 3 plus 1, that is uh, uh, sorry, this is 6. I'm really sorry. This 6. So 6 minus 3 will be 3. 3 plus 1 will be 4. So the answer will be 4. So basically that's how we are going to solve this. So as we said, the simple queue, that is we are taking an root and pushing its children's and popping it out and just iterating it, right? So let us go to a code for better understanding. I know it's pretty much confusing right now. Let me just uh, display you the code so that it's more clear. So as I said, we are taking a pair of q and we are taking an answer variable. This will be this is the thing which we have to return, that is the max width. So first we are pushing the root and 0. Then while queue is empty, what we do is we just take out the size, and this is basically that's what the rightmost node and the leftmost node and the rightmost node in that level. So we are taking a max of answer e minus s. This will be the width, and we are going inside the for loop for iterating through each node which are pushed. So we are taking a pair of the node which consists of the tree node value and the value, that is the count, and we are popping the mail element, and we are what is this basically very important. We are taking id equal to p dot second minus s. That is, for example, let's assume we are at this node. So what is the like what will be the id of this? That is p dot second will be for this. What will the p dot second for this? It will be 1. 1 minus the start will be 0. So it will be 0. So what do we get if it is, like, for example, this is for this id we get 1, right? Basically id we get 1. So that id will be used here in while pushing it inside the queue, because for considering the left and its right node, we should know its root. So if the root is clear, we can just add the left and right by just saying to id plus 1, that will be the left, and id plus 2 will be the right. So this is very helpful to reduce the complexity, exponential complexity. So yeah, so then we are just pushing it, and at the end we are just returning the answer. So that is it. I hope you understood the code. Let's run this. Just work. It does run. So that is pretty much it from this video. If you like the content or like the video, if you like the contents which we are giving you, to subscribe to our channel. Till then, keep coding and be safe. Thank you.